Hi, my name is Mallory Clough. I'm a fourth-year mechanical engineering student at the University of Victoria. And this past summer, summer of 2007, I was volunteering on a co-op in Malawi, a small country in southern Africa. I was working with an NGO to provide safe and clean drinking water to local communities. A lot of the communities in the area had access to drinking water already, boreholes and wells, but they weren't working for various reasons. Sometimes the wells just weren't working mechanically, or the water had run dry, or the water wasn't clean. I lived in a community called Walters Village. It was a small community, no running water or electricity. I basically lived with Malawians, and I lived like Malawians. I did all the chores, even carrying a bucket of water on my head to and from the borehole, which made it as much of a cultural experience as it was a work experience. A large part of the project was to work with community members to figure out why they didn't have access to water, instead of just going and fixing it for them. And that helped them educate themselves to operate and maintain the water sources, making it a much more sustainable resource. The people I worked with in the office were very skilled and knowledgeable in our field of work, and so I had to find ways to contribute that were appropriate with my skill set. One of the ways I found was helping with the data analysis. I built a database to help analyze the data that we were working on, which brought some structure to the process, which wasn't really there before, as well as setting up some standards for future projects. I also helped with some of the administrative issues in the office, building channels of communication using things like schedules, budgets, structured reporting, things like that. In engineering at UVic, I've learned a lot about problem solving and analytical thinking, which were huge assets when it came to troubleshooting these water supply problems. Other things that were really helpful were my experiences with group projects, learning how to multitask, time management skills, all these sort of things. Overall, this experience has helped me figure out where engineering is going to take me in the future. It's put a human face to a lot of the number crunching that I've been doing over the years, and it's shown me how there is a humanitarian side to the discipline of engineering that I want to be a part of.